Hey, Katie, wanna go on a date with me? And we're back with Katie's Star Talk Show. Here's your host, Katie, and Jesse McCartney. Woo! So, Jesse, do you have any new songs coming out? Oh yeah, the song called I'm on Fire. Can we have a taste? Oh sure. I'm on fire, I'm on fire, I'm on fire. Okay, we have enough. Oh, fine. Shh, don't thank my songs. I know it's off topic, but why aren't you wearing any shorts? You're showing my bottom half too? I didn't wear shorts because I wanted to show off my awesome abs. Okay. Let's pretend you didn't say that. Oh, I forgot to tell you in the beginning of the show. We got a pineapple drink for you. Pineapple drink? Did you hear what happened to Ken? He drank a pineapple drink and he died. He died, I said, died. I don't want this pineapple drink. I said I wanted a margarita, not a pineapple drink. Margarita. No, you said you wanted a pineapple drink, Ken. Pineapple drink. No, margarita. I know what I said. Margarita. If you don't give me a margarita, I'll sue you. Sue, I say sue. Oh, you can't sue us. Why? Why? Because you have a contract. Oh, Dad, I don't have a contract. It says Jesse McCartney. I'm Jessica. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh, monster. Commercial. Commercial. But you can't have a commercial. Why I can't have a commercial? Because you just had a commercial. No, you didn't. No, you didn't have a commercial. I'm not crazy. You didn't have a commercial. Oh, yes, we did. Running away rules. Okay, commercial. Let's go. Commercial time.